In this video, let me show you how to fix Safari cannot open page because address is invalid. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now if you come across this issue, first thing that you'll immediately need to do is double check the URL. Sometimes what happens is you enter in a URL which is not correct or which has typos. So make sure that the entered URL is correct. This is not the case for you. The second thing that you can try out is try to force quit the application of Safari. So you can just swipe up and make sure you remove it from the recent app list. Once you've done this step, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear out the history and website data. In order to do this, just head over to the settings on your device, over to apps and head over to Safari, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll be able to see the option called clear history and website data. You can simply tap on this option, and once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix your issue. If you're still having issues with it, make sure that you disable any sort of VPNs that you might have enabled. Also make sure to try to toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode. By doing these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.